Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Yes, just to show you things are getting done now. I've sorted out this bed, and up to this middle path I've got me broad beans in, because those I planted earlier died on me. So I'm just going for direct sowing now. And there's my broad beans planted. This, I'm going to put some French beans in there, but not just yet. I think it's French beans. Here I've sorted this out, and I've got beetroot all down the back, and that's beetroot's bolt hardy, and in the front I've got turnip variety snowball. It's still a lot to do, but it's so nice today. I've had to come out and do something. Monday the 16th of April. After an hour of being out here, I sorted that bed, got rid of all the corn stalks, and I'm just finishing off sorting that bed out. So that will be my middle bed sorted, done. Hopefully I can finish that, although I am making after just an hour. Hopefully I can finish it today. Well, I should do, and maybe get potatoes in. Yay! And then I won't feel like I'm totally and utterly behind on everything. So I'll see you later as soon as I've planted my potatoes. Whether that be today or later in the week, I don't know. Yay! It's still Monday, and another hour later I've got my main crop, which is Maris Piper, in the ground. I think I've got half a dozen left, but I'll put them in pots or something. But that denotes broad beans are there, that's the end of them, and then this is all my main crop potatoes, and that denotes the end of them. I've got enough potatoes I could carry on more, but I don't want all this being potatoes. I do want other things as well. So it's nice having this sum done by the middle of April. Hopefully, because I've got that side bit now next to me polytunnel done, hopefully if I carry on like this, doing a few hours, an hour, well, a couple of hours every couple of days, I'm going to have it done by the end of April, because I'm going to put kale there, then I can net it easily. Here I might try calabrese and cauliflower, I don't know. Them, I didn't plant garlic late last year. I planted it fairly early and then ignored it and left it, and I think that's them. I'll just leave it until I need the space and see what it does. But my apple tree, sorry about this wind, my apple tree is starting to come to life. That's it for Saturday and Monday. Now I'm going to go in the kitchen and make some paneer and some yogurt. Thank you. Bye.
It's a